Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have an exciting discussion about the future of technology. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, one question looms large. This burning question is sparking debate in the tech community. Is AI really replacing software engineers? Let's dive into this interesting debate and find out. AI has made significant strides in automating tasks traditionally done by humans. Did you know that AI is already writing code? In software engineering, AI tools can now write code, debug, and even test software. These systems are becoming more and more advanced every day. Yes, from automating simple tasks to even churning out complex algorithms, AI is making strides. But hold on, does this mean the end of the road for human software engineers? This is a topic that has been on the mind of many in the industry. What is the future of software engineers? Is AI replacing us? Let's really go deep into this discussion. Though there are many layers to this question, we need to unpack this. Firstly, let's talk about what AI in coding really looks like. It is not just about writing code. It is about enhancing productivity and efficiency. AI tools are designed to help developers write code faster and efficiently. Tools like GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI, and others are designed to help developers write code faster. These tools can suggest code snippets, complete functions, and even automate repetitive tasks. AI tools are useful for boosting productivity. They handle mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more complex and creative parts of software development. These tools are designed to help, not replace. It is not just about writing code, it is about enhancing productivity. AI helps us streamline our workflow and reduce errors. It frees up time for us to tackle more challenging problems and think outside the box. Imagine having a tool that can help you write code faster and with fewer errors. AI can assist, but it cannot replace the human touch. But here is a kicker. Despite their capabilities, AI tools have limitations. They lack the intuition, creativity, user experience, problem-solving skills that human engineers bring to the table. Complex software projects often require creative thinking, innovative thinking, and a deep understanding of user needs. And this is where human software engineers excel. This is a critical aspect of software development. That creativity and problem-solving aspect still very much a human domain. Let me put it this way. AI plus software engineer equals to innovation. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement, it is more accurate to see AI as a complement, as a complementary tool that make your work faster, easy, and more efficient. It is more accurate to see it as a powerful tool that complements your skills. So then, what's the future of software engineers? The future of software engineers is one of collaboration between AI and humans. AI will continue to evolve, taking more sophisticated tasks, yes, but human software will also be in demand. Human engineers will also be needed to drive innovation, understand complex systems, and ensure the ethical use of technology. The industry is changing and we need to adapt to these changes. So to all software engineers out there, your jobs aren't going anywhere. In fact, they are becoming more important than ever. If anything, AI is to make your life easier and not redundant. It's a tool that can help you achieve more in less time. And believe you me, it is an exciting time to be in the tech industry, with AI bringing tools to the table that can transform the way we code and also how we think about coding. So now back to the question. Is AI truly replacing software engineers? The answer is no. AI is complementing software engineers. AI is transforming the industry, making it more dynamic and exciting. But it remains a tool, an incredible powerful tool that amplifies human potential. Together, AI and human software engineers are shaping the future of technology. The possibilities are endless. It is evolving and we need to evolve with it. It is about collaboration and not replacement. We need to work together to explore the full potential of AI. So keep coding, keep creating, and let's use AI to our advantage. Thanks for tuning in. As a software engineer, your role in this ever-evolving landscape is crucial. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Share your thoughts on AI and software engineering in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Keep exploring. Keep using AI to your advantage. Bye.